In the summer of 1931, the Yangtze, Huai, and Yellow rivers in China overflowed, leading to unprecedented flooding. It is estimated that over 4 million people lost their lives due to the floods, waterborne diseases, and related famine. An estimated 25 million people were affected, with entire cities submerged and vast agricultural land destroyed. The destruction was immense, causing economic despair that took decades to recover from. The tragedy taught the world about the importance of disaster preparedness and water management, shaping future policies and responses to natural catastrophes.